Hello and welcome back to the English Cooking. In today's video, we are going to learn some common English words that you can use in your daily life to speak English confidently. Because English is not about speaking difficult words. It is about using simple words correctly. Now, we are going to use some common words. Repeat the words after me. Hello. We say hello when we greet someone. Hello, how are you? Thank you. We say thank you when someone helps us. Thank you for your help. Please. We say please when we ask for something politely. Please, can I have water? Sorry. We say sorry when we make a mistake. Sorry, I am late. Yes, no. We say yes, no to answer questions. Yes, I understand. No, I don't understand. Now, we are going to practice some action words. Come. Come means to move towards someone. May I come in? Go. Go means to move away. May I go? Eat. Eat means to have food. I eat food. Drink. Drink means to have water or juice. I drink water. Now, I will give you some sentences. You will have to complete them. Now, you can see there is a sentence, but there is one missing word. Can you tell me which is the correct word to complete the sentence? If your answer is hello, it is the correct word. The correct sentence is hello, how are you? Now, the next sentence. Can you tell me what is the correct word? Please give me a pen. Now, the third. Thank you for your help. And the last one. Sorry, I am late. If all your answers were correct, very good. Practice these sentences and words daily and your English will improve. In the next video, we will learn about sentences. If you like the video, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe the English Cookie. I will see you in the next video.